Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can choose less than instruction in Siemens PLC S7-300. But before start this lesson, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. I will open my SIMATIC Manager software and here we will create the program. This I will delete and this first input address 124.0 I will choose, and next we will choose one counter here, this one, and any name you can give, C0 or C10, whatever, this is your choice. And here next address we will give I 124.1. So and here if you like to be make reset M 0.0 can be placed for set condition, and this is our less than instruction is ready. And here we will choose this data register MW10, and we will set point give from the MW20. So almost this is our completed, and we will download to the PLC and make it monitoring. And here we will change the value, for example 20 signals I put, and this is you can see this we will put 20 less than, because of when less than 20 after this output will be on. So there is not have any value, and also this is less than 20, this is I think so too much. I will put for example modify for 5 values, because less than 5 when we like to be on when less than 5 after this instruction works. I give the signal at I0 dot I124.0, and you can see now as value increased less than 5 after our output is go off. So if you put it define it here for example 10 value, so now this is equal with but not less than. As I put 11 here for example, after you can see our output is on. Also I can show you in my camera, this LED already connected with this relay, and this output of this PLC is on and off. And as I give signals for example 11, you can see our output is gonna off. But as I decrease the value, you can see this is now stop. And as I signal increased at I124.0, also you can see here signals coming, and also if I select this one, also you can see here signals coming 11, 12, 13, 14. But if I give the signal at I124.1, after this will be decreased. After as this will be less than 11, which you define it here, 11, 12, 15, which value you like to be right here, means an example, this compare instruction you are using with the conveyor, and here your conveyor is running, and here this signal is attached with sensor you defined as a I124.0 with the sensor, and one bottle is going at the conveyor, and each bottle gives one signal, and your bottle when you decide it here 12 bottles or 13 or 15, when this 12 sensor signals coming at this counter after this instruction will be work, and as you will be increase or decrease the signal after your compare instruction will be work. As this less than 11 which you define, after this will be go on and off. So hope guys you will be understand about this less than instruction. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.